Hello guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show how to implement the concept of lists in HTML. This can be done by using a simple HTML program. For that one I am using the structure of the HTML program, basic structure. In the title I am going to specify the types of lists. This concept is used to represent the web page content in terms of lists, and those lists must be in order. That means that if you want to specify the list of items you have on your web page in a proper order or in a proper sequence, then you have to go for ordered list. In order to represent that list items in a specific order, you have to use a tag called as OL. As every list will have a closing, you need to specify the closing of OL tag. Every list will have some list items. That list items you need to specify by using a tag called as li. For example, I want to specify the list of some countries. First I will specify the list item as India. Close the first list item. Then the second list item as Sri Lanka and close the list item. Similarly, the third list item I want to specify is Bangladesh. Then close the list item. That means that by this particular program I want to specify my list items in a proper order. Before going to see what is the output of this particular program, let us save the program first. I am saving this program as orderlist.html on my desktop. Then save it. Now open the web browser to see the output. Browse the file, open, browse. On the desktop select the program order list and click on open button, and now click on OK. Now you see here India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan are my list items which have been displayed in a proper order, numbering with 1, 2, 3. Here the list of items will be displayed with a sequence of 1, 2, 3 by default. For example, if you want to change the default representation of the sequence of elements 1, 2, 3 into some other, then you can go for its representation. That can be done by using a attribute called as type attribute. To specify or to demonstrate the type attribute, I will use the same code here, but instead of specifying the OL tag without properties, I will use a type property here. Here type property is used to represent the type of the list items you have to specify. Here I want to specify my list items with capital alphabets instead of specifying in 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have to write like this: type equal to A. That value should be enclosed within double quotation marks. Now save the program. Go to the web browser again and click on refresh to see the output. Now you see, previously it was displayed with 1, 2, 3 default numbering, but here I have changed its type from 1, 2, 3 to ABC. Similarly, you can represent the list in different ways. Instead of representing my list items as 1, 2, 3, I want to represent with small alphabets. For that one, you write like this: small a. Again, save the program, go to the web browser and click on refresh button. Simultaneously, HTML is also going to support another type. Instead of using alphabets and numbers, I have to use Roman letters. That means that I want to get my list items as Roman letters 1, 2, 3 and like that. Then can again specify type equal to I, nothing but 1, and click on save button. Go to the web browser and click on refresh. Similarly, you can specify your list items in different manner also. That is, even you can specify with this type of numbering also. For that one, no need to do anything, simply you change the type value from Roman letter 1 to small Roman letter. Save the program again, go to the web browser and click on refresh button. See, by using this output we can say that ordered list can specify the list of items in different orders. Either the orders can be in numeric, the orders can be in alphabets, or the orders can be in Roman letters also. Like this, you can implement the type attribute for any of your list items. For example, here in the output, India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan has displayed with 1, 2, 3. That means that the list items has started with number 1. But sometimes I want to change the ordering of my list items from 1, 2, 3 to 3, 4, 5. At that time, I have to use one more attribute called as start attribute for OL tag. Here I will go the specification for type to 1, and here I will specify a attribute called as start. In this one I will specify a value called as 3 because I want to display my list items with numbering 3. Now go to the file menu, save it, go to the web browser and click on refresh button. Here you see the numbering of your list items as usual displays with 1, 2, 3, that has been changed from 1, 2, 3 to 3, 4, 5. Like this, you can implement the order list in order to represent your web page content in a specific order. Thank you for watching.